Welcome back, everyone, and thank you, Cole, so much for joining us today. We just wanted to chat with you a little bit about how guidelines are changing and what's going on out there today.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me. The mortgage world is changing rapidly, as every industry is. We've got a lot of changes going on. FHA loans have changed dramatically throughout the industry. This is the Federal Housing Administration. A lot of lenders have made the choice to just put these on hold and not do FHA loans for the foreseeable future until things chill out a little bit.
Okay, so what's Intercap doing specifically to help with those FHA loans? Because that's a big segment of the market, right? That's the kind of a little bit easier to qualify, less money down type of thing.
Yeah, no, it's huge. So the nice thing about Intercap, Josh Romney is our CEO. His team have basically looked at this as an opportunity to help more people and to see what we can do to help the general public as a whole. So as a lot of lenders and servicers are saying no to these FHA loans, or they're dramatically increasing their credit qualifications, we basically have gone at the opposite direction. So our pricing has gotten better. We're in a great spot to help those first-time buyers or those people with lower credit scores, even credit scores, in the 600s, that usually that rate is quite a bit higher. Sure, you're not getting the absolute A+ interest rate out there, but you're still getting an awesome rate right now through that FHA program.
And you can actually still get that program. That's great. Okay, so we talked about jumbo loans. What do those look like, and what should people know?
Yeah, so jumbo loans, that market has taken a turn for sure. Basically, it's just kind of on hold right now, to be honest. So here in Salt Lake County, the jumbo limit is $600,300. So if you are, it's not a purchase price, that's the loan amount. So if you have a loan amount of more than $600,300, you are considered in the jumbo market. So if you guys are in that position where a jumbo loan is what makes most sense for you, again, anything over $600,300 here in Salt Lake County, give Andrew and his team a call to at least go over options and what the future holds.
Okay, and the last one we want to touch on before we end is self-employed. That qualifying was always a little tricky, but how has it changed?
Yeah, so it's changed a little bit, not a whole lot, but basically we're still using tax returns through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The general rule of thumb has always been a rule of twos. So the last 2 years of your tax returns, we're basically averaging out how much income is there to support how much income you have on a monthly basis. Right now, obviously, with where things are, they have changed that guideline a little bit to just prove active income. So if you are a self-employed borrower, you may be in a position where you're going to have to support, hey, here's an up-to-date contract, here are up-to-date invoices, certain things that are going on in your business to show that you are actively making income, rather than just showing your last couple of years of tax returns.
Yeah, so that's good. And we can talk about that if you fall into that category. And if that means you wait a month or two, okay, but at least you'll know and be prepared. Okay, Cole, awesome. Always good information. Again, get in touch with CButcher, Intercap Lending. You can also reach out to myself and our team, and we'd love to sit down and talk with you a little bit more and just help guide you through the process right now as we all figure this out. But just the goal is be ready. Be smart, educate yourself on everything, and there's going to be good opportunities. There's still money there. The banks want to lend. So put yourself in a position that when this all turns off, you're ready to go. So I think that's all we've got for today. So as always, everybody, be healthy, be bold, be rooted.